What can improve the likelihood of Basel III achieving its goal? The second paragraph talks about Basel III, several challenges that make the future of Basel Accord uncertain. So an answer choice that reduces any of these challenges improves the likelihood of success of Basel III. So in that context, let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, effect on the operations of banks more negatively than previously believed. The passage mentions that negative impact on the regular operations of banks is a challenge in front of Basel III. So if the challenge is greater than previously believed, it's going to reduce the possibility of success. So this answer choice indicates something opposite of what we are looking for. Let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B, a study showing that widening risk coverage is not the most efficient way of risk management. This is exactly what Basel III is trying to do, because the passage mentions that Basel III seeks to widen risk coverage as a way to enhance the process of risk management. So if it is not the most efficient way, it casts doubt on Basel III's approach. So again, this answer choice weakens the possibility of Basel III's success, but we are looking to improve the possibility of success. So let's eliminate this answer choice as well. Answer choice C, issues associated with the capital ratios of banks worsened. The second paragraph mentions that the Basel III regulation may not sufficiently address issues associated with capital ratios. So if the issues become worse, the regulation may even fall shorter in addressing these issues. So again, this answer choice indicates reduced possibility of success of Basel III, but we are looking to improve the possibility of success. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D, a few banks implementing Basel III successfully widened their risk coverage. In the context of risk coverage, the passage mentions that this approach is promising, but banking sector regulators must be forced to implement the practices. So even if some banks receive some benefit out of Basel III, the overall problem of banking sector regulators remains. So it cannot be clearly suggested that this answer choice indicates improved possibility of success of Basel III. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E, banking regulators across the world enforced most of the proposals under Basel III. The passage mentions that one of the challenges in front of Basel III is that regulators and central banks in most countries have a concern regarding the negative effect on regular operations of their banks. So, if despite these concerns, these regulators enforce most of the proposals under Basel III, it indicates removal of a challenge and increases the likelihood that Basel III will achieve its goal. E is the correct answer.